Hey guys, this is Ryan with Impress Computers, and today we're going to have a little talk about the new stocking we have. On the left hand side we have the Acer gaming laptop, i5 processor, 8 gigs of RAM, and a solid state drive with a 4 gig video card. It's a 1050 Ti, so those who are looking on a 15-inch size, this would be the good choice for you. On the other side you have the 17-inch laptop. It's an MSI gaming with i7 16 gigs of RAM, a 4 gig video card as well, but this one comes with a solid state drive and a terabyte as well. At the bottom you got the home use. You have an i5 processor on a 17-inch, terabyte, 8 gigs of RAM. And on the other side you have the AMD class with 16 gigs of RAM, solid state, and a terabyte with the 2 gig video card. So for those who are looking on a good price and promotions, you can come into the shop and we can show you what we have and have a little chat. So you can give us a call back at 281-647-9977.